Biodiversity is a measure of the richness of life in terms of the number of different species within a given habitat or area. Before the arrival of humans, Aotearoa was teeming with endemic flora and fauna, including the Adam's mistletoe, several species of moa, and the Haast's eagle. Through overhunting, forest clearing, and the introduction of rodents, mustelids, possums, and cats, at least 60 species went extinct. Of the surviving species like the takahare, most have yet to recover their original population size and health. Restoring our native ecosystems requires a commitment to sustainability, not just from individuals and governing bodies, but from businesses as well. Sustainability means being able to continue doing something at a given level long-term without depleting resources or causing a negative social or environmental impact. Many Kiwis are doing their best to use products and services with either a lighter footprint or, better yet, a positive impact on the ecosphere and local community. As a result, supermarkets and large retail chains are increasingly including sustainability requirements into their policies on what they buy and from whom. Committing to sustainability can increase a business's profitability in a number of ways. Through power and water bill savings from an efficiently designed green office or operations building, by driving revenue from environmentally conscious consumers, and by attracting and retaining talented staff with a sense of responsibility towards other people and the planet. Product stewardship means taking responsibility for products across their life cycle. An electric car might reduce carbon emissions compared to a gas guzzler, but other issues need to be addressed. More Kiwis driving electric cars will require an upscaling of Aotearoa's power grid, as well as methods and facilities for recycling used batteries. Likewise, sourcing lithium is incredibly resource intensive and can cause extensive ecological degradation in countries like Bolivia, Chile, and across the ditch in Australia. In our global economy, choices made at home affect ecosystems across the world. Sustainability in the business sense often means doing things better, not perfectly. An environmental management system is one way businesses, big and small, can improve operational efficiency and reputation while ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Before beginning to build an EMS, a company should make sure to define its environmental policy and goals and communicate these with the entire organization. Providing employees with time to volunteer is an easy and fun way to support regeneration work towards preserving biodiversity. Stream and beach cleanups are best done in summer along with weeding and nursery work. Planting days generally occur in autumn through to spring when the ground is wet. This gives the plant's roots an opportunity to get established before the dry season. Pest control happens year-round and is essential for conservation in Aotearoa. Volunteering is a big help, but there are still costs associated with working bees. Check with your host to see what costs your business can recover. This might include lunch, transport, and portaloos on site. They may ask for a koha or a fee for the day to help cover their time. Remember to keep health and safety in mind. To learn more, follow the links in the learning summary for this video.